Hello viewers, in this video I will discuss about how to protect sheet in Excel. Uh, you are seeing this is the sheet named employee lookup, and if you want to protect this sheet, what will happen? Actually right now you can delete any row, and also you can take any change from here, any change, bold, undo, delete, anything, any modification you can change from here. So what is the function of protect sheet? If you protect this sheet, then no one can do any type of modification. How we will do this? There are three methods. That I am sharing with you. In this way you can protect this sheet. If you right click on here, you will get this option, protect sheet. This is one method. Another method also, if you go to review tab, here is also protect sheet. Another method, if you go to file, this is the protect workbook. So these are the menus that you can use or option to protect your sheet. Now I am sharing. So I'm going to protect this sheet. So I have to select all cells that contain in this sheet. So I'm clicking here to select all cells. So after that I'm click here, password 1234, easy to remember. I'm reconfirming the password 1234. So now you can see what happened. This sum option is disappear. Already sum option is disappear here. If I'm going, if I'm pressing delete, I'm getting a message. The cell or chart you are trying to change is unprotected and therefore read only. So right now all cells are read only mode. If you share this file with anyone, no one can change any kind of modification without pushing you. If you share password with him or her, then he will be able to make any change. Otherwise this sheet is protected. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you.